I've got another double duty video here for you today. Not only am I going to be going through the process of making this spread for my TN, I'm also going to be sharing 5 of my favorite motivational videos here on YouTube. So if that's something that interests you, stick around. Hi there, it's Kara from the Hooting Pirate. Welcome. This video is going to be a bit different than what I'm used to. You're going to get the pretty planner decoration, but at the same time, I'm going to go into different ways that you can dream big and really go after your dreams. Because it's one thing to have a pretty planner, but you really need to have that planner work for you, and you need to be planning in the big stuff so that you're not just living a very organized and well-oiled life, but you're living a life that's not only organized, but it's organized to help you achieve your big dreams. So if that sort of stuff inspires you, the pretty planner that makes you smile but also keeps you organized, then make sure you hit that big red subscribe button, because that's what I love to talk about here on this channel. I said this video is a bit different, and it's because while you're watching this process of me and my bullet journal here, I'm also going to be giving you 5 different videos that I really enjoyed. 5 of my favorite videos here on YouTube that can lead you to dreaming big so that you have the stuff that you want to do and you can plan it out. And then there's other videos that will actually give you the steps to plan those things out. Because I believe that everyone is really good at something. Everyone has like a super wonderful talent. You just have to find out what that is and then go after it and develop it and be the best you can be. And in one of the videos, the one by Evan Carmichael, he says that everyone is as good as Michael Jordan at one thing. It's not basketball, it's something else, but you've got that Michael Jordan level of your talent. So you have to find out what that is and then work at it and make it fantastic and share it with the world. So that's the first video. It's by Evan Carmichael, but what he does is he takes different parts of different videos and different speeches and things and brings them together. So this one is Oprah, and it is growing yourself into the best you can be. So watch that one first because that'll really inspire you, and then go on to the next one, which is by Absolute Motivation. It's built on a Matthew McConaughey speech that they've put a video behind. So it's really, really inspiring. He's comparing joy and happiness and how to always keep joy in your hearts versus relying on others for happiness. So watch that one next. And then I've got one from Steve Harvey, and he goes into how you can identify your gift, your Michael Jordan talent, and leverage your strengths and weaknesses and work towards being the best you. So they sort of all build on each other. And then the fourth one is by After School, and it's comparing being busy to being productive. We sort of glorify being busy, but really what we should be is being more focused on productivity. So that's what that video goes into, and it really helps you see the difference and focus more on productivity instead of just being busy. And the last one, we're going to put everything into action, and you're going to manage your time. This is by Amy Landino, and it's not ways to save time or just little hacks or anything like that. It's actually how you look at time and a mindset shift, and then planning in everything. So you can watch that one next. It's a really good one. I find her very inspiring. I find all these people inspiring, and these are just a small selection of the videos that I enjoy by these people and by others. Being organized is more than just having everything fit into the boxes of your day and having everything giving everything a schedule. It's knowing what you want to do with your life and going after the big stuff. It's having the motivation to do those things. It's then being able to get them all done and having a place in your life to do it. I've got them all lined up in a playlist for you, so all you need to do to watch these videos is click that card at the top of the screen. Let me know in the comments below if you consider yourself a busy person. I think that I'm busy, but I'm trying to be more productive. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, because you need a planner that not only makes you happy because you open it and it's pretty, but it also keeps you organized. There's a subscribe button right here on my little face. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.